Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach dip with sour cream. Start by thawing and draining frozen spinach, then squeeze out excess water. Combine spinach, sour cream, mayonnaise, and cream cheese in a bowl until smooth. Stir in minced garlic, chopped green onions, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of cayenne to taste. Chill for at least 1 hour before serving with chips or vegetables. Start with softened cream cheese and whisk until smooth, then fold in sour cream and mayonnaise for a silky base. Stir in chopped spinach, green onions, and minced garlic, mixing evenly. Add grated Parmesan and a touch of lemon zest to brighten flavors. Taste, then adjust salt and pepper, and add a pinch of cayenne if you want heat. Transfer to a serving bowl and garnish with extra green onions and paprika for color. Serve the spinach dip chilled or warm depending on preference, and if you prefer warm, bake at 350 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes until bubbly on top. Offer sturdy dippers like baguette slices, pita chips, or fresh vegetable sticks for the best experience. For parties, set out individual ramekins to make sharing easy. Store leftovers in an airtight container and refrigerate up to 3 days, reheating gently before serving again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.